All right, here I have a regular 50-cent piece or a $50. And I'm just going to take it, toss it into my hat. Okay, take it out of my hat. Whew. And it's gone. But wait, here it comes, falling down out of the sky, back into my hat. All right, before I tell you how to do this, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. This is a really easy one. You just need a regular, coin. I used a $50 or a 50-cent piece. You can use a quarter. You can use a nickel, whatever. And then you need just a regular baseball style hat. And now if you inspect the inside of the hat, you'll see that there's kind of this rim on the inside of the hat, which makes it really good for catching objects, especially coins. So what I did was I flipped the coin in the hat, and then when you go to grab the coin, you tilt the hat on its side, and the coin, if you can see it, will go into that little slot in the hat and just be captured there. Okay, so that's the secret to this trick. Everything else is just, timing. So when you go, you have the coin in there, right? You flicked it, coin's in the hat, and then when you tip the hat over, you just close this hand, make it look like you grabbed it, and then when you throw the, pretend to throw the coin up, it's gone. You just turn the hat over, and the coin falls back in the hat, and then if you just give it a nice tap on the bottom, the coin falls up, you can catch the coin, and it looks like it appeared. So that's the secret, just about there's nothing custom about this hat. Every baseball hat that I've seen has that little rim in it. So you can do it with a borrowed hat, make the coin, vanish and reappear. It works, if you're just, closing your hand the same time you're turning the hat over, okay? And it just looks like the coin falls in your hand. People don't really notice this at all, that it's in their hat. And that's how you make the coin vanish. And then, gravity pulls it back down, reappear, pop it out, and there you go. You have your 50-cent piece. So that's vanishing, reappearing coin in a hat. Please let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. Till next time.